Home energy assessments are a great way to find out what you can do to start saving energy and money. From installing more efficient lighting or low-flow water fixtures to sealing up air leaks and adding insulation, the Cape Light Compact's energy efficiency programs make it easy to start saving today. Today we visit a home that is being weatherized through the Compact's Residential Energy Efficiency Program.
You're here with the Cape Light Compact. We're in Yarmouth, Massachusetts, where today we're going to insulate the home of one of the Cape Light Compact's home energy assessment participants. The homeowner signed up for an assessment. We came through, performed an assessment, made some recommendations. Now we've got one of our contractors here to see if we can help this homeowner become more comfortable and save some energy. Follow me. We're here with Josh Emond of Building Performance and Nosted Insulation, the Cape Light Compact contractor selected for this project here in Yarmouth. Josh, what are you guys doing today? What's the scope of this project?
We're going to blow 14 inches of cellulose insulation up in that attic. Before we do that, we're going to do air sealing.
Similarly to the home energy assessment, the Compact's contractors will perform a blower door test to determine the amount of air sealing that is needed in your home. This test will ensure that your home is air sealed in a way that conserves energy, while also maintaining healthy indoor air quality.
In effect, what we do overall after spending a couple hours up in the attic there is we reduce the size of the leakage up there from like an open window to either a half closed window or a totally closed window. So that's the equivalent leakage that we have up in this house right now. It's about like having a window open all winter long. So it's going to take a couple guys about 2 hours up there to basically shut that window is what we're going to do. And we're going to insulate over top of that. Okay, so right now what we're doing is the air sealing that we talked about. We're plugging up the small little holes in this attic that amount to a large hole size being open in your house all winter long. So by sealing up all these little gaps, we're just adding up a ½ inch here, a ½ inch there, and overall this is going to reduce the leakage of your home. So we also have a couple other things going on. We're outside drilling soffit vents for adequate ventilation in this house. And from the inside, we're putting vent chutes so that the house can breathe from outside to inside.
In most homes, proper attic ventilation is a great way to add comfort, protect against damage to building materials, and conserve energy in all 4 seasons of the year. By adding intake vents low in the roof and exhaust vents up high, you can ensure that there is constant, even flow of air through the attic year-round.
So what we're going to do next, after we're done with the air sealing and the ventilation up here, is we're going to set up the insulation machine to blow insulation up here. We're going to put about 14 to 15 inches of blown-in insulation up here, and we'll be ready for that just after we're done doing this.
Blown-in cellulose insulation is a preferred method for adding insulation to existing attics. The blown-in material, comprised mostly of recycled newsprint, becomes an excellent thermal blanket, offering uniform coverage, leaving no nooks or crannies exposed for heat to escape. Here, bales of cellulose are fed into a blower machine in the back of the installation truck. The cellulose is fed through a hose into the attic, where it is blown to the required depth. In addition to the work being performed in the attic of this home, installers are in the basements, air sealing and insulating the sill area above the concrete walls, as well as the door that leads to the bulkhead. Those areas are often completely uninsulated and can be a significant source of heat loss. Interested in finding out how the Cape Light Compact can help you start saving? Visit our website, www.capelightcompact.org. or give us a call at 800-797-6699.